This is the video guide about getting rid of the pop-ups by the website statiles.co.in. Statiles.co.in is a dangerous site attacking a Google Chrome browser and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers, for example. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups, you need to be very careful not to interact with them. Such pop-ups are fake. I recommend you to leave this page and also to additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. The best way to get Combo Cleaner is to go to the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button. By the way, the software is available for the majority of popular operating systems. Download the program, install it, and then begin carefully investigating your system in order to detect and remove other infections which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.